Hey Insiders, we have just checked into a Good Neighbor Hotel in Anaheim at the Disneyland Resort. This is the Westin Anaheim. It is within walking distance or about a 5-minute Uber from Disneyland. The room is absolutely beautiful and I wanted to show it to you because it's a great option if you decide not to stay on property. The shower is beautiful, it's absolutely huge. The rainfall spigot up top. We have a huge vanity. Well stocked with anything that you might need. May have forgotten at home. Some lotion. A very nice robe. And then off to the side here is the restroom. You can see that. It's right here. And then let's see. So we closed the glass shower. So I have a double queen standard room here at the Westin Anaheim. So here is our storage. We have another robe in the closet. Some space to hang clothes. Put your shoes and your packing cubes in here. There is an iron and an ironing board, which is great to know. A really nice full-length mirror here, and I believe there is that is amazing. I need one of these in my house immediately. So here is the room. You can see it's very spacious. 2 queen size beds. Look at that bedding, so fluffy. I cannot wait to go to sleep. Some art on the walls, but overall just a really crisp, clean, modern feel. We have got a chaise lounge over here with a laptop. With a lamp, which would be great for working on your laptop, reading a book, hanging out. We do not have a balcony. We just have kind of a whatever view of the parking garage, but you can request a balcony. 2 nice luxe leather chairs. Love that. Huge marble table. So you can eat here, you can work here. We also have a whole slew of menus here. So there are several different restaurants here at the Westin Anaheim, but one of the beautiful things is 24-hour room service, and the menu for that is always underneath of your TV, which is customized. Even has my name on it. I love personal touches like that. It's just like being at Disney. So over here you can see we have a little bar area. Some wine glasses, a Keurig, stash in here. Factor up your coffee however you like. And then I believe we have a cooler, mini fridge down here. Bottled water and an ice bucket over here. Honestly, the biggest thing to just note about this room is the space. It is so spacious. You could put your luggage over there and never have to touch it. You could put it in the closet and never have to touch it. There's just so much room. But honestly, like this mirror, this is enough to make me move in. So it has this button right here and you just turn it on and off. Amazing. Definitely check out the Westin Anaheim next time that you come to Disneyland. This is a great option if you are not staying at the parks or you're looking for something a little more sleeker, a little more upscale with restaurants on property, but still walking distance. Like I said, a 5-minute Uber over to downtown Disney. It's super close, but it gives you that kind of luxury upscale feel, and it's an absolutely beautiful hotel.